Welcome to Flow with Daria. I am Daria, and I'll be guiding us through this 50-minute stress relief yoga. This practice includes gentle yoga poses and stretches designed to bring you a sense of calm. It is for all levels and no props are needed. We'll begin our practice in child's pose. So bring your big toes touching, knees as wide as comfortable, and stretch your arms in front of you. Or you can use different variation where you have your knees touching and your arms behind you. Choose whatever feels comfortable for you today. Allow your eyes to close and begin to melt into the earth, starting to become aware of your physical body. Feeling the contact points with the ground beneath you. Now start to connect with your breath, deepening your inhales and your exhales. Feel the ribs expand and the belly soften. Allowing anything that happened before this moment to melt into the background. Now take a big inhale. And on your exhale, round your spine, shift forward towards your hand. Inhale, opening your chest and send your hips back towards your heel. Again, exhale, round your spine, shift forward. Inhale, open your chest, sending your hips back towards your heel. Now keep moving with this dynamic cat-cows for a couple of rounds on your own. Moving with your breath, listening to your body. Feeling your body and your mind dropping deeper into calmness with each breath. Good, now last round. Now as you roll forward, come into a tabletop. Knees under your hips. Walk your hands forward into a puppy pose, releasing deep tension and physical stress from your shoulders. And try to keep your arms active here. Don't let the elbows touch the ground if possible. Relax your neck and breathe into your spine. Beautiful. Now gently coming into a puppy pose twist. So gently lift your gaze and thread your right arm underneath the left, placing your right ear and shoulder onto the mat. And keep pressing your hips back towards your heels. Breathe here, feeling a beautiful twist in your spine and stretch in your upper body. With the next breath, unthread and switch to the left side. So left arm underneath your right. And close your eyes and breathe. Just slowly unthread, extending both arms out. And with control, lower yourself onto the belly. Once you arrive, extend your arms onto your sides and then bend your right leg, rolling over your left shoulder and landing the foot onto the ground behind you. You can bend your right arm and place your left ear onto the mat, feeling a stretch in your left shoulder, your spine and your right hip. And if the stretch is too intense, then shift your foot lower or extend it out straight. Now breathe deeply and try to keep your muscles engaged, pressing to the floor through your arms. Really notice the difference. Now roll back onto your belly and switch sides. So bend your left knee and place your foot onto the ground behind you. Left hand can come under the shoulder for extra support. Right ear and cheek resting on the mat. And taking a deep, long breath here. With your next breath, gently come back to the center. And press yourself up to tabletop for pigeon pose on the right. So draw your right knee towards your right arm. Flex your right foot and press your hips down to the mat, extending your left leg behind. Now square your hips by sending your right hip back and pulling your left hip forward. Take a big breath in, find length in your spine. Exhale, lower down onto your forearms or all the way down into humble pigeon, resting your forehead down. Listen to your body and choose a variation best for you today. Breathing deeply into the hips. Feeling the hip opening, letting any tension and stress in your body to melt away. With your next breath, press yourself up and gently transition back into a tabletop. Let's switch sides. So draw your left knee towards the left arm, pressing your left chin down, toes flex. Square your hips. And then take a big inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, find whatever variation you did on the right side. Continue to breathe. Relaxing your entire upper body. Relax your neck, your shoulders, your jaw. Taking this next moment to just breathe and de-stress. Gently start coming up. Transition back to tabletop. And then with control, lower yourself down onto your belly. Thread your left arm under your chest and turn yourself onto your back. Bend your knees and hug them into your chest, giving yourself a big loving hug here. Maybe swaying from side to side to massage your low back. Good, now keeping the right knee in, extend your left leg and extend your right arm onto the side And with an exhale, bring your right leg over your body for a supine twist. My favorite full body yoga stretch. Releasing tension from your spine, your back, shoulders, chest, neck, glute, and thighs. Or you can look over your right shoulder for a deeper stretch. And maybe cactus the right arm. Now gently come back to the center. Bring both knees into your chest. And then keeping your left knee in, extend your right leg and your left arm to the side. When you're ready, bring your left leg over to the right. And for a deeper stretch, look over the left shoulder. Maybe cactus the arm. Just melting into the mat here. Nothing is forced. Now gently come back to the center, hugging your both knees into the chest. Let's continue with happy baby. So open your knees wide, elbows inside of your knees and holding onto the outside of the arches. Draw your knees down towards the floor. And if your shoulder blades come off the mat, then you can also grab hold onto your ankles or maybe behind your thighs. Lengthen your tailbone and your shoulders down into the mat. And find some movement, swaying from side to side. And release. And let's come to the last resting pose, Savasana. So either bring the soles of your feet together with your knees open in a reclined butterfly variation, or extend your legs out for a classic Savasana with your arms by your side, palms facing up. Wherever you are, soften your body and let it melt into the ground that has been supporting us throughout this practice. Relax your toes, your ankles, low back, and your chest. Relax your shoulders. Allow your fingers to soften. Your neck soften. Relax your jaw and your tongue. And take this next minute or so to just rest here. Now start deepening your breath, bringing your awareness back to your physical body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, taking a big full body stretch, and then hug your knees into your chest, swaying from side to side. Then roll over onto your right side. When you're ready, press yourself up, finding a nice, comfortable seated position, keeping your eyes closed. Find a nice long spine and place one hand onto your belly and the other over your heart. And take a moment here to notice how you feel. And if it's any different from before this practice. And bring your arms to your prayer as a sign of gratitude towards yourself and this practice. Namaste. Thank you so much for sharing this calming practice and your time with me. If you enjoyed this class, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part, and share this video with your friend or a family member. Let's spread that love. And I upload new weekly meditation and a yoga class each week, so make sure to subscribe. Are you ready to dive deeper? Then download my free 7-day mindset reset to release your limitations and reset your energy.